Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today I am reviewing the Matrix Elite 60% keyboard. Sorry about the cord. I will unplug that. Oop. Not good. So this is what you get out of the box. Nice 60%, nice white keycaps. You're gonna have double shot. There's different switches. I can get a Cherry MX reds, blues, and browns. That's what you get for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the most part. Nothing on the back. You can't rise it or anything, but I think it's a good height already. It's already slanted, so that's good for that. All right, so I will now plug it in. So when you initially plug it in, it has this cool white, and it goes back and forth. I'll show that again. Just like that. So you're gonna have your gray keycaps. It's very quiet if you get the reds. Very quiet. So this is one of the lighting modes. It's the fade lighting mode, so if you click once, it'll fade away in about 5 seconds, maybe less. If you want to change the color mode, just for the modes, you do FN and then right up here above the enter key. Don't know what it's called. So this is the straight line. So if you press it once, it'll go in and out, or if you press it on the side, it'll just go the other way. And then the next one, this one is to the side, or to both sides, just like that. And then the last one is actually voice generated, so if I yell, "Ah!" that will make it colorful. Not the best one, but it's cool. Okay, and so you can go to a green color by pressing FN, and then the one right next to what you press to go to the color modes. I'm gonna press right there. This is gonna get you a solid green. It looks bad on camera, but in real life, there's no blinking at all. Looks great. Oh, next you're gonna have all the colors that you have in the entire keyboard. Every color will be right here, just going back and forth. Then you have rainbow going side to side. This is what most people use. This is not what I use, but that's what most people use. This is rainbow going up and down, so if you want that, that's great too. And this, I like to call it sunset and sunrise. Great keyboard, great colors and everything. And back to your green. I'll do a sound test. All right, here we go. That's a sound test, and that's going to be the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Drop down a comment if you are interested in getting this keyboard. Yeah, thank you.